Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So now we will talk about section 7 of OHS 2020. So in this, duties and responsibility of owner and agent and manager are described. So owner and agent or manager will responsible for making financial and other provisions, taking steps to ensure the compliance of statute. If any contravention occur, the following persons shall be responsible. For first, official appointed for supervision or in respect of provision contravened, owner, agent or manager of mine, and official appointed by for welfare of amenities. Owner and agent of mine cannot take defense on the ground that on the manager or other official has been appointed if any issue is arises. As per section of 37 of CMR 2070, duties and responsibility of owner, 43 duties and responsibility of manager, and regulation 39 responsibility of contractor has been described very well. Next, duties of designer, manufacturer, importer, and suppliers. So, every person who designs, manufactures, or imports or supplies any article for use of mine shall ensure as reasonably as practical the article is so designed or constructed of mine as to be safe or without risk to health or any other manner. Second, it must be easy to use. Third, carry out to arrange test and examination as per defined frequency in effective manner. Then he will take steps as may be necessary to ensure adequate information will be available. First, in connection with the use of article in any mine. Second, use for which such article is designed and tested. Third, about any condition which is necessary to ensure the article when put out to use and it shall be safe and without risk to health of any worker. Provided that where any article is designed or manufactured outside the India, then it will be obligatory to importer to see that the article conform the same standard of such manufacture in India. Second, if any standard adopted outside the India are above those adopted in India, then article conform to such standard in our country also. If there is no standard for such article in India, then article conform the standard adopted in that country of origin where it is important to its national level. Then designer, manufacturer, importer shall also comply with the such duties as the central government may in consultation with the National Occupational Health and Safety Advisory Board. For the purpose of this section, article substances is not to be regarded as properly used if it is used without due regard to any information or advice relating to use this. It has been made available by designer, manufacturer, or importer. Then section 10, notice of accident. Where any place in the mine an accident occurs which causes any fatal or any injury, then injured person from work or injured person from working 48 hours or more absent, then owner, agent, and manager shall send a notice to such authority in such manner that within such time as they may prescribe by the central government. The authority or chief inspector cum facilitator shall cause the inspector cum facilitator to make the inquiry within the 2 months of notice of accident. Section 11, notice of dangerous occurrence. Where in the mine there is any dangerous occurrence of such nature, where may be any bodily injury or disability, or there may be possibility, then owner, agent, or manager shall send a notice to such authorities in such form that within the such time it may be prescribed by the central government. It can be rectified as such as possible. Notice of diseases. If any person employed in mine or contract disease specified third schedule or notified disease, owner, manager, or agent shall send a notice Form 5 of CMR 2017 within the 3 days of getting the information to CIM, Regional Inspector of Mines, and the Inspector of Mines Medical, and DM and competent authority for payment of compensation as per Workmen Compensation Act. If any medical practitioner believes that person attended by him is suffering from notified disease, he shall send a report CIM giving the name and address of employee, and name of disease, and the name of mine where he is working. If medical practitioner fails to comply with the provision of subsection 2, it is solely punishable with a penalty which may be extended to rupees 10,000. As per Regulation 9 of CMR or MMR 1961 also, there are 8 notified diseases. These are as follows: silicosis, pneumoconiosis, manganese poisoning, cancer of lungs, stomach, pleura or petroneum, asbestosis, noise-induced hearing losses, contact dermatitis, pathological manifestation, etc. Duties of employee. Every employee shall take reasonable care of health, safety, and that him and the other self also area affected inside his working territory. Second, he will comply with the health and safety requirement of specified standard. Third, he will cooperate with the employer in the meeting and statutory obligation employer under the code. If any unsafe and unhealthy situation comes to his attention, as soon as possible, he will report such situation to agent, manager or safety officer or official who is working in his territory or area under the in charge, and he will report further to agent or manager. Not willfully interfere or misuse any, neglect any appliances or working SOP or any working procedure for securing health safety of workers so that it can be ensured. So he will ensure the work as per the SOP or the work instruction procedure. He will not do willfully without any reasonable cause anything likely to endangering the life of himself and others also. Next, rights of employee. First, every employee shall have the right to obtain the employer information relating to employee's health and safety at the work. He can represent employers directly to or the safety committee regarding the inadequate provision to protection of his safety and health. If he is not satisfied, he may approach to other authorities also. Employee may also similarly represented if he apprehended the likelihood or injury of danger to health. If employer or employee shall take the immediate remedial action if any observation occur and employee is not satisfied with initial action, then he also may further refer to central government or any authorities also. No person shall to interfere with or misuse the thing. No person shall intentionally or recklessly interfere with the damage or misuse the anything which is related to health, safety and welfare under the OHS 2020. Chapter 4, Occupational and Safety and Health. Section 16, National Occupational Safety and Advisory Board. In OHS 2020, new provision has made to constitute the National Occupational and Safety Advisory Board. It is a tripartite board that has representatives from employee, employers and government authority like DGMS, and central government also may constitute a technical committee to assist the national board. Section 17, Constitution of State Occupational Safety and Health Advisory Board. State government also given right to constitute such a board, and it also may form a technical committee to assist this board. Then occupational safety and health standards. Central government shall declare by notification standards on occupational safety and health of employees and employers in the mine. So thanks for watching my video. We will discuss further regulation from 19 to ahead of OS 2020. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks to everyone. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.